kiddos, welcome to your GK class. Now it's time to do a new chapter, that is sharing work. Do you know what do you mean by sharing? Sharing means to help someone in his or her work. जब हम बेटा किसी के वर्क में, किसी के काम में किसी को हेल्प करते हैं, that means that we are sharing his or her work. For example, you must be helping your parents at home. You help your parents at home, right? Okay, then tell me, how do you help your parents at home? Tell me. By giving a glass of water, yes. Anything else? By keeping your books at a proper place, very good. Yes. Tell me more. By serving the dinner, very nice. Good children. Okay, beta, we all should help each other. By helping each other, we will be sharing each other's work. It will be a great help to everyone if we share the work. For a better clarity, open your GK books and let me explain it to you.
Children, this is our today's chapter, that is sharing work. Now let us have a look at the chapter. Our parents and grandparents take care of us and love us. We all know that we love our family, right? And our parents and grandparents take care of us. वो हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं and they also love us, right? We should also love them. We live in a family, right? So we all should love each other. We should love our parents, our grandparents, our uncle, aunt and brother, sisters, right? We can do that by sharing their work. Now, beta, we all love our family, but have we ever thought of helping our parents and grandparents? Have you ever thought of this thing? So now, how can we help them? We can help them by doing small things. Beta, family is like a team. Okay, so we all should help our parents and grandparents by doing little work. छोटे छोटे काम करो, है ना, तो उनसे उनकी कितनी हेल्प हो जाएगी. Come, let's have a look at the work that you can do. First is throwing waste in the dustbin. Whenever we eat a packet of chips, we should throw it in the dustbin. We should throw waste papers in the dustbin. If we see any papers or wrappers are lying on the floor, then we should throw them in the dustbin. Make it a habit to make your house clean, right? This will be a great help to your mother. Next is wiping the table. Wiping means cleaning the table. After having lunch or dinner, we should clean the table as it will help your mother. Watering the plants. Watering the plants is an easy and interesting work. It will help your parents. Our plants will be happy as you are taking care of them. You should adopt this habit in your life. गार्डनिंग इज़ अ वेरी गुड हैबिट. अगर आप प्लांट्स को पानी डालोगे, है ना, तो आप देखना आपको कितना मज़ा आएगा. और जो आपके प्लांट्स हैं वो इतना हैप्पी रहेंगे. वो कहेंगे वाओ, देखो ये कितने अच्छे से मेरी केयर कर रहा है ना. सो इफ़ प्लांट्स विल बी हैप्पी, you will be happy automatically, isn't it? Then is keeping toys and books at proper place. Beta, after playing with your toys, always keep them at a proper place. And after studying, you should keep your books at a proper place. Always keep your things at the right place. Okay? Clear? Make this thing a habit. Helping mother in the kitchen. When your mother is working in the kitchen, go to her and offer help. Ask her, Mama, what can I do? Please give me some work. Okay? You can help her in serving the food and water to the family. You should keep your utensils yourself in the sink after having your lunch or dinner. Right? Learning to wear your shoes. As you all are big now, so try to wear your shoes yourself. Smart children dress themselves by their own. Okay? So, sharing work in a family makes a happy family. So, we should all share each other's work. That will make all happy. सब खुश हो जाएंगे जब हर कोई एक दूसरे की हेल्प करेगा तो सब हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. राइट? अगर अब देखो आपको सारा काम दे दिया जाए करने के लिए तो आप कहोगे ना नहीं, इट्स टू डिफ़िकल्ट. इन द सेम वे आवर पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स can't do all the work by themselves, right? So we should help them, right? So promise me from today only you will always help your parents and grandparents.
Now it's time to do blanks. So quickly write down date and day and write down the heading of page 2020 blanks. Now let us start with the blanks. Write down the first blank. Always, ALWAYS, always. Throw, THROW, throw. Waste, WASTE, waste. In the, in, the, 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 then put a blank here. Always throw waste in the, tell me the answer, dustbin. Very good. Write down here DUSTBIN, dustbin. Then put a full stop here. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Right. Now, next blank is number 2. Write down always, ALWAYS, always. Then put a blank here. Always dash the plants, PLANTS, plants. Full stop. Always dash the plants. Always water the plants. Right. So write down here water. WATER, water. Always water the plants. Write down number 3. Always keep your, ALWAYS, always. Keep, KEEP, keep. Your, YOUR, your. Toys and books, TOYS, toys. And, AND, and. Books, BOOKS, books. At, leave a blank here. Place, PLACE, place. Full stop. Always keep your toys and books at proper place. Yes, write down here proper. PROPER, P-E-R, proper. Now, the last blank, number 4. Always help, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always help, H-E-L-P, help, your, Y-O-U-R, your, leave a blank here, in the, I-N in, the, T-H-E, the, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen, full stop. Always help your dash in the kitchen. किसको help करनी चाहिए? Mother. Yes. So write down here, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Always help your mother in the kitchen. Now beta, let us revise once more. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Speak up. Always throw waste in the dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Always water the plants. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Always keep your toys and books at proper place. Proper, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper. Always help your mother in the kitchen. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. My dear children, write down these blanks in your notebooks. Okay? Thank you, beta. Have a good day.